It was a beautiful, sun-dappled afternoon, and Pip the puppy was exploring. His nose twitched with curiosity, and his tail wagged with every new discovery. Today's grand adventure: a lumpy, bumpy, glorious mountain of mud. Woof, a mountain. I shall climb it. Pip was a brave little explorer. He took a running start, but slid right back down at HMMPH. That was just practice. He yipped. He tried again, digging his little paws in, getting higher this time, ... But, whoops, down he came again. Oh, this is too hard, he whined, feeling discouraged. Just as he was about to give up, he remembered something his wise friend Barnaby always said: a little bit of trying every single time adds up to a lot of success. Okay? Just one more try, Pip woofed with resolve. This time he looked for solid spots and carefully planned his steps. And slowly, surely, he reached the very top. I did it, he barked happily. And Pip realized the best part wasn't just being at the top. It was knowing he had kept going, even when it was hard.